Archiving started.
Hello everyone, this is Jim McCormick, and for this week I'd like to do this little video to help you with the folders assignment, file management. And file management is really an important idea to be able to know and understand and use in computers because when you're saving files, working with files, you want to use folders. Folders, just like a folder in a file cabinet in your house. Just like in a computer, you will use folders to store files. Could be pictures, could be music files, could be regular Word documents, Excel files, whatever the case might be. So without having folders on your computer, you're going to be having trouble down the road trying to find the files you want and be able to use them as you want. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to create a folder, a subfolder, kind of go through different parts of the assignment, which will hopefully get you a good start going to being able to complete the week 1 skills assignment for file management. All right, so the first thing you need to do is navigate to where you want to create your file, or your folder actually, your first level folder, which is going to be the My Classes folder. So make sure you open up the Word document that's in the assignment module for that week, and you'll want to follow directions. So I'm just going to go ahead and navigate to the location where I want to do my folder, which will be right on my desktop. I'll do my first folder. All right, so I'm on my desktop, and what I'm going to do now is go ahead and create my initial folder. To do this on your desktop or any other location, such as your C drive or any other spot on your computer, you can do a right click and go to New off that shortcut menu, and then go to Folder. So now I have my new folder created, so I'm going to call this My Classes. Now the idea in this assignment is we need to go ahead and create subfolders within your initial folder. So I'm going to be creating a subfolder called 2011 Summer Quarter. So I need to go inside this My Classes folder to create that subfolder 2011 Summer Quarter. So double click to open it up. You see inside this window that represents My Classes folder, nothing in there, so I'm going to right click in this empty area. Again, go through that shortcut menu after I right click, New, Folder. And here I'm going to call this one 2011 Summer Quarter. Oops. Now, if you make a mistake with the spelling of a folder name, let's say I want to change this 2011 Summer Quarter to something else, you can right-click on that and choose Rename. It'll highlight the name, and you can go ahead and change this if you want to. So I'll call it Summer Term, just as an example of a change I made to it. All right, so I've got my 2011 Summer Term Quarter folder now created. So now you need to create your class folders inside the term folder. So you're going to double click inside this again. And here you may create one or more folders based on how many classes you've got. I'm just going to create one for our D132 class. So again, I'm going to right click, go down to New, and Folder. I'll call it D132. And so I've got that folder created. Now the last step, I'm going to pull up the directions here, is you need to go ahead and create a Word document and put that in your last folder you created, which is going to be going into our D132 folder. So what we're going to do is you look at step 8, type your name, then save your assignment as a Microsoft Word document, and it gives you right here the naming convention. All right, so good example of doing this is a way to kind of keep your files straight. So having a good naming convention in your files is always very helpful so you can find them again later on. So what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and set up my Word document, open up Microsoft Word, type in my name, and I'm going to look at the directions again. And I'm going to go ahead and save off this file. And I think this file, again, the assignment name is Skills Assignment File Management. So I'll go back to my Word document, do a file, save as, and when you're in the Save As dialog box, you can go ahead and navigate to that folder that we created, or you created on your computer. So I'm going to go to Desktop. There's my classes. So just navigating through. And your file name would be J. McCormick, or your name, first initial underscore, file management. And then I think it's supposed to be the date. So let's put in a date here. And hit save. And I now have this document in my D132 folder I created. So if I go in here, take a look, there it is. So hopefully this video was going to be helpful for you as you go through the assignment of creating your folder structure, My Classes structure, or the My Classes main folder, and then you're going to have two levels of folders inside of it. So you're going to have your term folder, summer term, or whatever term it is as you're watching this video. Inside your term folder will be however many classes you've got. Now note, this is not supposed to be the actual folder structure you've got with all your other classes and files in it. So just be creating this folder structure for this assignment. If you want to use this folder structure going forward, that's certainly fine. Now, the last step you need to do in this assignment is actually zip the folder structure before you submit it. So to zip your folder structure, you can go ahead, right-click on that folder, the main level folder, go down to Send To, and compress zip folder. And I'm doing this on a Windows Vista computer operating system. If you got Windows 7, that'll be very similar. And here it creates my zip folder version of that folder. And I just saved it, and basically a zip folder is just a compressed folder, or if you zip a file, it's compressing the file. It makes it easier to email, etc. And also this will be helpful when you do the Access assignments later on in the term, because the Access files will have to be zipped as well. All right, so repeating, you're going to go through and create your folders, 3 levels of folders: My Classes, your term folder inside of My Classes, however many class folders you have inside of the term folder, and then a Word document with your name in the Word document, and also filing naming convention, first initial, last name, underscore, the name of the assignment, and then an underscore and the date that you do it. Submit once you get that inside of your class folder for D132, zip your folder, your whole folder structure as I did, going back out to the top of a folder, right-clicking on it, going down to Send To, and compress zip folder, and that'll create a folder right in that same location as your main level folder. So hopefully this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions throughout the week, you can certainly contact me, and I will certainly help you out as much as I can. So again, get started on the assignment early and do your reading. You should do fine. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.